Interest Tracker is the complete online CRM for managing interactions with interests on their way to membership. In this video, I'll show you how to invite additional users to access your church's interest list so your pastor, Bible worker, and other members of the outreach team all have access to the exact same data. In order to manage users, your user account must be at the church admin level. More about that in a moment, but if you don't see the user's menu item, it's probably because you're not a church admin. In that case, you can just skip ahead to the next video. Click Users on the sidebar menu to view the user list. Here we can see a list of all the users for this church and some details about them. Let's add a new user. Click Add New, then enter the new user's name, email address, and telephone number. There are 3 roles that a user can have in your church, and you can see more details about each role down below. A church admin has permission to create, edit, and delete users, and also has full access to the entire system. A coordinator has access to everything except adding, editing, and removing users. And a basic user only has access to interests that are assigned to that user with limited access to notes, interactions, and tags. In this case, let's add a full church admin, then click Save. An email is then sent to the new user, inviting them to finish setting up an account on InterestTracker. That invitation expires after a few weeks, so if you need to send that invitation again, go to the user list, then select Resend Welcome Email. With multiple users in your church account, you can now assign interests to specific users. On the interest list, you can see that some of the interests have been assigned to Mayrai. Let's assign this interest to someone. We'll select Walter, and now you can see that Christian is assigned to Walter. And we can also see that here on the interest list as well. You can assign follow-ups to specific users. And you can select which user delivered an offer as well. If we go to the interactions list, we can see everything that Mayrai has done and when that happened. In the next video, we'll look at how you can tailor Interest Tracker to your specific ministry environment by customizing settings.